Okay. The man is Dinosaur Dan from Asheville, and he blew into town.
Really?
I'll hold this
wind.
one.
Did I bring all this
for you,
wind?
Jack.
Hey, Dan, no, this is
I don't know.
Jack, good
funny down in
morning.
You know,
Florida.
you're the science guy, so we're just going to blame it on you.
Well, you know what? Today I'm here to talk about the weather because obviously, you know,
yes.
soon fall's going to be in the air. We got a tropical storm in Florida.
right.
It's maybe coming up this way.
Okay.
So we're going to talk about weather, and you know, it's back to school time as well.
Have you noticed that?
Yeah.
I have noticed that. And you know, our company is busy going out to schools
Yeah.
and doing in-school field trips.
Let's go ahead and say the name of your company out of Asheville, North Carolina.
Yeah, that's right. It's high touch, high tech,
you're on the
science made
web?
fun. Yep.
Okay.
Science made fun, GSP.net.
Okay.
And I even brought a few brochures for you today.
Okay, well, wonderful.
Yeah.
Let's go ahead and get started on our science experiment.
Okay, great. Well, the first thing I want to talk about is the air and the air pressure.
All right.
Because
Okay.
the air can be strong and the air can be weak.
Hey, look at the air.
Right, exactly.
The hair in
So the
the
way
air.
we learn about it oftentimes is with these things. Are these party hats?
They look like the
symbols?
smallest
Cleaners.
symbols that I've ever seen. Yes.
So ear cleaners.
Pull your cheeks apart real funny, right? Instead, we push it together like this.
Yeah.
And then the only thing holding them together is the air. So you want to have a little tug-of-war?
So it's kind of like a suction cup
It is.
of sorts.
Right.
Oh,
Yeah.
wow.
You
Right.
created a vacuum.
That's
Yes,
strong.
exactly. So that's interesting, and we learned about
Okay.
the weather that way.
Right.
Another thing is this bag. It's a long bag, and
Yeah.
Jack, I want to ask you, sir,
Yes,
and I know
doctor.
it's nothing to do with hot air.
Oh, yeah.
But I'm wondering
Uh-huh.
how many breaths it would take for you to fill this bag up with air.
423. I've done it.
One.
One?
I don't know.
Kimberly,
Hey,
one
hey,
is
back
the
off.
answer.
Back off. I heard
Is
that.
one the
It took
answer?
One is the answer, okay?
Wow.
Most people would take the bag and put it on their mouth like this,
Right.
right?
Yeah,
But that's
okay.
not how we do it in science.
How do we do it in science?
Well, here, I'm going to let
If
you hold
open
this
it, the
bag,
Hold this,
outside will blow
okay.
it up.
and I'm going to hold this out like this.
Okay.
It's very, very windy, of course. I'm going
I
to take
see
one
that.
breath,
Look at
and then we
that.
can just
Oh, my.
pop on the head.
He'll never be back.
And that's what we learn. That's how we learn about air pressure. And
Wonderful. And by the way, kids don't play with plastic
That's one
bags. It's
goofy
not
size
setting
Right.
to have your parents right there.
I never saw a trash bag that size, Dan.
Okay.
And that, of course, involves the Bernoulli principle, which we'll get into.
How
We
are
have-
they doing? They're from Gaffney, aren't they?
We have 1 minute left, Dinosaur Dan.
Okay.
So what's the
well,
last thing
what we
can
need to
show?
do is we need to do some ice cube fishing.
Sure.
Okay.
Okay.
So I know y'all are probably good fisher people, right?
Yeah, but usually
fisherman,
it's
Jack?
fish.
No, no.
Okay.
But I.
All right. Well, what we're going to do is you're going to lay your string on top of the ice cubes and,
Okay.
and on top of the ice cubes.
The whole string on top there.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now we're going to pinch some of this chemical and sprinkle it over your ice cubes and
When
string.
you just say this chemical, we don't know what chemical
I know,
this
we
is.
don't really know, so I'm asking
we
you,
say?
let's observe and notice it.
Was it
Okay.
It's
salt?
really
Feels like
small.
salt.
It does look like salt,
It
Jack,
does.
and you are correct. It is salt.
Oh.
And we want to sprinkle it on here, really
You know,
nice.
salt is what they put on the roads in the winter. So
Exactly.
I think I know where we're going
Well,
with this.
right. Ice is frozen water,
Okay.
and salt lowers the freezing point of water. So it kind of melts, but then it gets colder, and then it wraps around
Well,
the string.
We have just a few seconds here, so
Okay,
tell us
so
the concept
let's
of what
lift
would
up the
happen.
ice cubes. It may not be quite ready yet.
Oh, wait, mine's starting to catch. I see where we're going with this.
Yeah,
It's only
and
a
then it
30-minute
lifts up
show,
the
Dan.
ice cubes. Well, you know.
If we had an hour show, we
Hey, they'll be trying it at home, Dan, because it was getting ready to catch. I know where you're going with it. All right, well, you guys stick around. Dan, stick around. We have got something really neat coming up. They're going to paint my blue jeans when we come back. It's all for a good cause. Stick around.
All right.